Hello, 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 and welcome to Shopping with Cheryl. I happen to be Cheryl, and we are going to do another unboxing today. This was sent to me by Gator. I have not opened it at all, so you're going to be here for the grand opening, and we're going to see how it looks, what it does. So, there will be an affiliate link down below in the description. If you use that link, I may make a commission. But keep in mind, by using my link does not change the price of the product. It's the same no matter what. So let's get on with this. Like I said, this is by Gator. I have several of their things. I love them. I love coffee. So, of course, I love something named Gator. And this is their Expresso machine. And it's 1.3 liter. So let's see what's in the box. I always like the box for them. They've got their logo right there on top. I love the little gator. Maybe it's because I love Florida. I don't know. A nice heavy-duty box. And right on top here looks to be some probably instructions. They even have, it says, a video guide. So they even have apparently a video about this. And it is in there snug. Let's see if I can get it to come out without much hassle. Apparently not. There. No hassle at all. It was snug, though. All right. Let's see what's in the box. Here you go. If you've ever made espresso, I haven't had an espresso machine for a long time. But here's where you're going to put your coffee. Right here. This is steel. It's got the filter piece. Oh, and this is your sealer. We've got another one. Let's see here what we've got. It looks like another filter. This looks to be a lid. Gonna have to figure that one out. We also have a scoop. I like that. It'll stand up. How cute. Get this cord out of the way. Let me tell you, how come they can put this stuff in a box and it fits? I go to put it back exactly the same way and it never goes. And if you're wondering, when I get done with these videos, I have this stuff all over. And where is, must be on the bottom. How do we open it? Help me. I'm sure you guys are having a blast watching me fumble around with this. Now this on Amazon is getting good ratings. And there's a first look at it. Now, oh, there's the coffee, the milk frother right there. This looks to be removable. Then up here, let me see, does any of that come apart? I'm looking at it just like you are, seeing what all it's got on it. Over here is, oh, whether you want to froth or make espresso. Now here's something I saw that I thought was cool. This is where your water goes. And let me take this tape off, because some of these do not have a way to remove your water filter. And if it gets grungy or gets sediment, it's a pain in the to clean. This you can take out, and that way you can clean it up. And it shows on there max and minimum. Open this up, remove this. Here you go. It's even got a handle in there. And this is all a heavy, heavy plastic. And I'm going to guess here how to get this in. Let me move over to the side so you guys can see it too. I'm going to assume it goes up in here. I probably have to move that back. There you go. Ah, there it is. Ta-da! So, and like I said, it's got the other filter, which I'm not even sure what that does yet. It also has the scoop. And, of course, if I ever, read the instructions, it will probably help me a lot when I go to use it. Yes, I'm sure it will. Because it's even telling me how I should have put that on and attached it. I'm looking to see this filter. What's included? The Expresso machine, removable water tank, adjustable steam wand, a removable drip tray that's down here. So, yeah, because I'm going to drip. It's going to get somewhere and it's going to be gross and I need to clean it. Single shot filter cup, double shot. Oh, okay. So one is a single and one is a double shot. Easy to use pad portafilter cup. I don't know what that means yet. And the scoop and the user guide, which is this. So we will be trying this out. I'll probably have more videos on it once I get it all figured out because I'm not really sure about it yet. The front, let's see if I can plug this in. We'll at least see about that, if I've got enough of an extension cord here. All right, so I grabbed the extension cord, and there you go. Of course, I have nothing in it as far as coffee to make yet, but there it is. It's got the lights going, and I'm going to go see about making some espresso. So go check it out. There is an affiliate link down below. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube, and make sure you follow me over on Amazon Live, where I show all kinds of cool products. Some of them you may have seen here on the YouTube channel. Some of them you probably haven't. So I will see you in the next video, or maybe over on Amazon.